Borla have been in the industry for quite some time now. I want to say like 30 or so years. So they know their way around an exhaust. This one in particular, very simple design, but in a good way. It's simple yet effective. They're not trying to sell you on any fancy technology. It's just an exhaust that works well for this car. It's got their S-type muffler that's located in the mid-pipe section of the exhaust, where you'd normally see a resonator. And then the rest of the exhaust is straight through. It ends with some 4.5-inch stainless steel polished tips. I think the 4.5-inch tip diameter is a sweet spot for this exhaust. Because it has the S-type muffler, that's their middle of the line in terms of loudness. It's gonna be louder than your stock exhaust, but not as loud and obnoxious as, say, a straight pipe exhaust. It's a very throaty tone to it that just makes the car a lot more fun to drive. You also get the pops on downshifts. It's a deep tone to it, not like a crackle, but more like a gurgle. Probably doesn't pick up super well on the camera, but you can take my word for it. This exhaust weighs in at 28 pounds, so you are shaving a little bit of weight over the stock exhaust. It's not the lightest exhaust in the world, but that's not what they were going for. They were shooting for, in my opinion, the perfect exhaust for a daily driver or a weekend warrior. And I think they did a really good job with it. I've got to say that it sounds very nice and just makes it sound like a more sporty car. It always blows my, it shouldn't, but it always blows my mind how much more fun the car is with an aftermarket exhaust. It never fails to put a smile on my face, just ripping through the gears and rolling the windows down. I have them up right now because you wouldn't be able to hear anything, but it makes the car a lot more fun. And if you guys want to pick up this exhaust for yourself, the link is down in the description. Let me know what you guys think and whether you want to hear any other exhaust. Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.